In this video tutorial, you will learn how to make perfect YouTube thumbnail like MrBeast. I welcome you to Easy Guide official YouTube channel. Please support and subscribe the channel. Go to photopea.com. Website link is also available in the description of this video. This is one of the best website. Go to template option. Here you can find different types of mockups. Go to search option and type MrBeast. This file is completely editable. Choose this and click here. The template is loaded. I guarantee you have not seen this type of tutorial on YouTube. So like the video and subscribe the channel. It is definitely worth it. Here in the layers panel, you can see different layers like text, MrBeast itself and others. I will definitely discuss these later in this tutorial. To edit the text, simply double click on the text and add your text. As I said, everything is editable in this template. Go to paragraph option here and adjust spacing. You can move this little bit upside. As you can see, we have a layer of beast reaction, arrow and Lambo layer. We can simply remove Lambo by pressing I button here. We just want to remove the car, so I will expand this pressing I button next to car layer. Now I want my own object instead of car, so go to file, open and place option, choose your file and click place. Adjust the image as you want. To add the shadow, go to layer and right click, choose blending option, turn on drop shadow option and click OK. To add your own image instead of MrBeast, go to file and choose open and place. Choose the image and click place. Adjust the image. If you want to change background, go to file, open and place, choose the file, and here is the background. Resize and adjust the background. You can sharpen the image by going to image, adjustment and brightness contrast. Increase the contrast. Add stroke to highlight the person. Here is the final result. I hope you have learned how to make a perfect YouTube thumbnail like MrBeast. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more videos. If you have any question related to this tutorial, you can comment below. I will definitely try to answer your all questions. Also tell me in the comments below which tutorial you want next. Thanks for watching.